two look excited. Is that because it's Saturday tomorrow?
Yes, Grandpa, but we also have a project to do.
A project?
Yes, a day in my life diary. We write down everything we do on one day. The teacher says we should make it as special as possible. I'm going to fill mine with colourful drawings. I'll go and sharpen my pencils. See you later, Zoo.
Bye-bye, Elzee.
Oh, I was going to draw pictures too, but I don't want to copy Elzee.
Maybe you can think of another way. Don't worry. I'm sure you'll find something.
I'll just set the timer. 3, 2, 1, cheese! Who is that lovely lady standing next to that handsome fella?
What's that?
It's our new camera, Zoo.
Now we can take photographs whenever we like.
Photos! I could use it to take pictures for my diary.
Do you need photos for that?
No, but Elzee's making hers look special by drawing pictures. And I want mine to look special too.
Well...
Please?
If we let you use the camera, then you have to promise to take great care of it.
It's brand new.
I promise.
All right, then.
Thank you. Woo! Yeah, yeah! Careful, Pop. I need to be very careful with the camera. It's brand new. So, I'll keep it in here when I'm not using it. OK, Pop. Let's go and take pictures for a day in my life.
Oh, Zoo, would you like to help me bake a cake?
Oh, yes, Grandma. Then I can take a picture for my diary. Cheese! Dad, what are you doing?
The car's been making a funny noise. I'm trying to see if there's anything wrong with the engine.
Can I help and take a picture?
Sure. Could you fetch my torch from the toolbox and shine it in here? That would help.
Yes, Dad. Here you are.
Thanks, Sue.
Cheese. Hi, Mum. Whose bike is that? It's a bit dirty.
It's mine. I haven't used it in a while. I thought I might sell it.
The washing water is very mucky.
Oh, I need some more clean water.
I'll get it for you.
Thank you, Bizu.
Cheese. Hello, Grandpa.
Good morning, Zoo. How's your diary project going?
Brilliant. I've taken lots of photos. Look.
Ooh. Oh, excellent. Oh, that reminds me, I used to be a very keen photographer myself. I took these a long time ago.
That's Miss Zoe's shop. If I go to the shop, I can take a picture for my diary.
Good idea, but ask your mum first.
Can I go to the shop to take a photo of Mr. Zoe?
Okay, Bizu. Don't be long.
Hi, Elzee. Oh, hi, Zoo. I've done 17 drawings already. I'm allowed to use Dad's brand new camera to take pictures for my diary. I'm going to the shop to take one of Mr. Zoe. These pencils are nearly used up. I'll come with you. Mr. Zoe.
Hello, Zoo. Hello, Elzee. What can I get for you today?
I need some colouring pencils, please, Mr. Zoe. Thank you.
And how about you, Zoo? Do you need pencils too?
No, I'm taking photos for my school project. Can I take one of you, please, Mr. Zoe?
A photo? Of me? Of course. How lovely.
It's gone! What's gone? The camera! I've lost it! Oh, no. I promised to look after it. Now Mum and Dad will never let me borrow anything ever again. Perhaps if you remember where you've been today, we can go back and find it. That's a good idea. Come on. Where could it be? What if I left it somewhere and it's been stolen? It's not here either. Where did you go before you went to Mr. Zoe's? Nowhere. I was at home. Then the camera must be somewhere at your house. Let's look in all the places you took photos.
Aha!
Have you found something?
I've worked out what the problem is with the engine, but I'm not sure how to fix it. Give me the camera, Zoo.
You want the camera?
If I take a photo of the engine, I can email it to the mechanic, then he'll be able to tell me what to do.
The camera. OK, I'll go and get it.
Hello, Zoo. What do you think?
It looks brand new.
I'm sure somebody would like to buy it. I'll need to take a photo for an advert. Do you have the camera?
I think it's in the kitchen. I'll go and get it. I definitely took a photo in the kitchen.
There you are, Sue. I've been looking for you. I'm so happy with how this cake has turned out that I want to enter it into a cake decorating competition. But I need a photograph. Will you take one with the camera?
Yes, Grandma. I'll go and get the camera from my room.
Are you going to take a picture of me for your diary, Sue? How about an action shot?
Later, Nana. This is where I took my first photo. It has to be in here. It's not in your room, Zoo. Oh, that means I really have lost the camera. Is there nowhere else you had it? I didn't take photos anywhere else. But I was in Grandpa's workshop.
Zoo, where's the camera?
I'm really sorry. I've lost it.
But how?
Well, I was...
You didn't lose it, Zoo. You were so eager to get to Mr. Zoe's shop to take his picture that you left the camera with me in the workshop.
Phew. I'm sorry for being careless. I promise I'll be extra careful next time. If there is a next time. Please?
Perhaps this might help you not to lose it again.
Thank you, Grandpa. Now, get together for a picture. Say, stripes.
Stripes!
All done. My diary's finished. And the camera is safe and sound.